So today we are fixing my fuel tank, which as you can see there's a big hole in it. So I've already fixed this one end here and I'm using JB weld, which some people are probably going to say that's wrong, and that is correct, it is wrong. However, as a temporary fix while I'm rebuilding it to keep fuel in the fuel tank so I can move it, it will work fine. So we've got this sheet of steel here and my pneumatic air cutter things, and we're going to cut out this big patch which you can't really see I've marked, but I have. We're going to then bend it and then JB weld it all over along here, patch up the whole part, then we can wire brush off the chassis of the car and we'll all be good. Well, that's what we hope.